Hello everyone! Good to see you again. Today I am going to show you something really cool that I just bought from Japan. And I really want to share this with you. It's so cool. Yeah, so they are puzzle erasers. But they look so real and they look so cute. Okay, let's open it. All right. Oh, wow. So look at this first. This is actually a kitchen, you see? See the stove, you see the sink, and you see the dishes here. And I have this. Wow, this is a very cute little fork. Doop, 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 doop. And then I have a spatula over here. Wow. And I also have a spoon. The spoon over here. Let's take that away. The spoon. And then I have another spoon. This is a green spoon. Oh, this is actually for getting the soup out from the pot, for scooping the soup. And this one, I think it's for you to eat. And then we have a knife. And then we have a little small cup over here. See that? It's a very small cup. And then we have this little teapot. Do you think I can open this? Let's try to open this. Oh, look at this. Ta-da! Oh, you see the hole here? It looks like a telescope. Ta-da! Yay! Okay, let's put this back first. And then we can pour some. You want to zip up a tea? Okay. And then we have a pot here. Do you think I can open this? Wow, I can also open this. This is so cool. And then I have a frying pan. And then I can use my spatula over here. And then I have this. Oh, wow, I have a stick on a sizzling pan. Oh, I can take this out. Wow. And then I have some veggies. These are actually peas. Oh, wow, yummy. And then I have a stick. Would you like some stick? Yeah. And then I have, can someone tell me what this is? This is carrots. Good job. And then I have corn. Wow, this is actually a very healthy diet here. I have meat, I have vegetables, I have carrots, and I have corn. Wow. Can I put this back? Yeah. Okay. Wow. And then I have this. Oh, let's use this. Let's try to cut it. Yeah? Oh, by the way, I have something in the fridge too. Whoop. Oh, maybe we can, would you like to do some frying over here? Oh, let's get this out. Ta-da! And then we can put it inside the pot. Choop. Oops. Choop. And then we can just put it in here. And then we can let it boil a bit. And then maybe we can put some, do you want to make some tea? Yeah. Whoop. Can make. Okay. Okay. And then, ta-da! We have a nice meal over here. Yay! And let's check this out now. What about this one? I think this one is really cool too. Okay, let's open it. This is these are fast food. Yummy. Okay, let's open this. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, they even have a tray. Oh. Just put this on the side. I'm gonna move this back a bit. Wow, it's a fast food restaurant. See this? This is the door. Then they're open for business. Yay! Wow. You want a soda pop? Yeah. Oh, this is so cool. Do you think I can open it? Oh, wow. Boop. Oh, let's put something inside. You want to put some ice cube inside? Yeah. Ta-da. Ta-da. Okay. And then you can shake it. Oh, and then maybe we can put it here. You want to pour some orange soda? Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, yummy, yummy. Wow. Nice and cold. And then we have a milkshake over here. Oh, let's see if we can open this up. Oh. Whoopsie. Nope, I guess not. Do you think I can? Oh, I can pull the straw out though. It's cool. Okay, let's put it back in. What flavor do you think this milkshake is? Chocolate? Nah. Strawberry maybe? Yeah, I think so. Strawberry. Oh, wow, yummy. Strawberry milkshake, my favorite. And then we have we have a sandwich here. This is very healthy. Whoop. You have 2 pieces of bread over here. Choop. Whoop. You have 2 pieces of bread. You have a slice of tomato, 2 slices of tomato, maybe. Yeah, 2 slices of tomato. And then 1 slice of lettuce. And a slice of cheese. Wow, yummy. And then you can put this back together. Oh, the other way. Yummy. Wow, we have so many food here. Oh, and now we have a burger. My favorite. What do you like to eat when you're in a fast food restaurant? You like to eat burgers too? Or you like to eat fries maybe? Yeah, we have that coming up. Wow, look at this bun. Ta-da! And then we have a piece of lettuce again. And then we have a piece of cheese. And then this is maybe another thicker slice of cheese. Yeah. And then I think we have a patty over here. There's a patty. Yum, yum. Let's open this. The patty. And ta-da! Another slice of tomato. Another 2 slices of tomato. 1, 2 right here. Ta-da! Wow, this looks so yummy. Let me put the cheese on first. The cheese and then the patty and then the tomato. And then another slice of cheese. And then another slice of lettuce. Wow, this is very colorful. And then I have this. Yummy, yummy. Yay. And then we have, what do we have? We have a hot dog. Do you like hot dog? Oh, we have a sausage. And then we have a slice of lettuce. And we have a bun. Wow, yummy. Usually, I like to put ketchup and mustard and radish on my hot dog. Yum, yum. Yummy. Yay. And then I have this one. Fries. My favorite. My pack of fries. Yummy. So maybe I'll put this here with this. Oopsie. I have this. And then I will put... I want my milkshake right here. Yay. Yeah. I'm sorry. Clumsy me. Yay. Would you like to have this for lunch? Yeah, this looks delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like our video, remember to subscribe and share. Okay? And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.